Hi guys, so we just finished doing our 5.5 meter bar crusher. Today our customer wanted something new, amazing and epic. So Josh, how did we deliver?
Well guys, we've breathed some new life into this bar crusher. We've changed this old checker plate flooring into a work of art. We've used our charcoal over black, premium quality EVA boat flooring, and it's come up so good, you've got to check out the video and see for yourself.
So guys, if you like what you see today and want this done on your boat, hit us up at deckarmour.com.au.